Hey folks, look at these temperatures and absorb them. We will not see these again for a while. Upper 70s in the Eastern Valley, still in the low to mid 80s in the western part of the valley, 84 McAllen, 85 in Rio Grande City. But watch Future Track, 7 o'clock, fronts knocking on the door. Temperatures are still in the upper 70s. By 8 o'clock, the front's basically right on top of us, at least the upper valley. By 9 o'clock, it started to move through, and by 10, it's south of all of us, and temperatures are dropping quickly. Most readings dropping about 20 degrees within that first hour, and then it just slowly settles down after that. But a big drop in temperatures as that front goes through, and by the time you get to 11 o'clock, most of us in the 50s, some places already in the 40s, about 60 at the beach. Midnight temperatures in the 40s, almost valley-wide. Then by the time you get to 7 a.m., look at this. This is the newest run of the model, by the way. It just came in about 5 minutes ago, and it's showing upper 30s for a lot of the valley at 7 a.m. And you go to 10 a.m., and it's still in the upper 30s. It just sits there with that strong north wind we talked about before the break. Probably some rain and drizzle around the area. By noon, we come up a little, but not much. Brownsville still 38. Finally, by late in the day, temperatures do warm up a little, but not much. And by then, the rain will probably let up. And once we lose that evaporational cooling, temperatures can warm up a little bit. But still, a high of only 43 tomorrow, and still only 55 on Wednesday and 58 on Thursday. The normal's 81. Nowhere close to that anytime soon. Starting to see some pretty good rain breaking out now. This is not the front. The front's still up to the north of us. Watching the last hour, a big band of rain right in the middle of Hidalgo County. Some heavy rain now starting to show up just to the southwest of McAllen, kind of southwest of Mission, right along the Rio Grande to the south of La Jolla. All that stuff trying to, looks like, start to move toward the southeast. So some showers developing ahead of the front. The front itself, see if you can find it on this map, kind of laid out right across here. There's your cool front. So it's through Corpus Christi. It's already through Alice. Alice is down to 54 degrees now, while Falfurrias down here is still in the 70s. So the front right between the two cities. An awful lot of cloud cover associated with it. And again, rain beginning to break out ahead of the front. So here comes the front tonight. By 8 o'clock, it's about midway through the valley. Showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two. Nothing severe, but there could be a little bit of thunder and lightning mixed in. But more than that, it's just a rain event and a very strong wind event, pushing that front through. By 11 o'clock, 10:55, it's through, and it's just messy out there then. The strong north wind, falling temperatures, rain and drizzle. This is 6 in the morning for the morning commute. It's messy then. There's 8 o'clock in the morning. The map's all green, even a little yellow embedded within there. Could come down pretty hard for a while. By noon, it's beginning to taper off in the west, and by about 3 or 4 o'clock, most of the rain's out of here. We're back to cloudy skies. Don't think it's going to clear tomorrow night, but the clouds could thin a little bit. Notice some clearing to the south, and that will allow tomorrow night to get rather chilly. In fact, downright cold. Chance of rain tomorrow, 70%, first half of the day. Then it tapers off tomorrow night to 20%. We hold at 20 for Wednesday. We start to go up Wednesday night, and then Thursday will be another peak in the rain chances because of an upper air disturbance coming this way. Front, there you go. Laredo's still 73, but San Antonio is 42. Austin, at 2 o'clock today, we were having a meeting in the newsroom. It was 72 degrees in Austin. Said, boy, the front's not there yet. It's there now. It's 39, 33 in Dallas. Again, there's some wintry mix. Little sleet, little snow back in the hill country. The front continues to push southward. Cold air builds in. Upper air disturbance comes in from the west. That's this one. That slides across, not Wednesday, but Thursday. Notice rain breaks out again in South Texas Thursday because of that. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. Showers, a couple of embedded thunderstorms, very windy and very cold. 36 for a low, and then back to 43. That's it tomorrow, and we'll be in the 30s much of the morning across a lot of the valley. A wind chill advisory in effect for everybody for tomorrow all day long. The wind's gusting to 40. So a little bit warmer Wednesday, but still only 55. Thursday, because rain comes back in, 58. For Friday, we're back in the 60s. The weekend looks pretty good. Partly sunny with maybe an isolated shower on Sunday, but temperatures back in the 70s. A cold night ahead. A wind chill advisory in effect for everyone. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.